Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between forests and hills, there lived a curious orange cat. He loved exploring and dreamed of uncovering the hidden secrets of the world. One day, while playing in the attic of the house he lived in, he found an old, rolled-up map. Along the way, he made animal friends who helped him on his journey. But there were also challenges, like when he had to cross a fast-moving stream. But with courage and the help of his new friends, he made it to the other side. It had strange markings leading to a place called the Secret Garden. The map seemed to glow faintly when he touched it. And so began Orange Cat's great adventure. His friends were happy and life felt even more magical. And so, with a grateful heart, Orange Cat continued to explore the world, knowing that every adventure was a chance to make a difference. He followed the map through the forest, across rivers, and over hills. Finally, he found the secret garden, hidden deep within the forest. It was a magical place filled with colorful flowers, singing birds, and a sparkling fountain. There he met a wise old tortoise who told him that the garden could grant his wish. And so, with a pure heart, he wished for the happiness and safety of all his friends in the village. The garden granted his wish, and Orange Cat returned home to find the village even more peaceful and beautiful than before.